Hi everyone, since today we'll learn how to download a GitHub repository as a zip file. As you can see, currently I'm on a GitHub repo and it belongs to faker.js. Now if I want to download this repo as a zip file, I need to click on this button, code. And here you will get this option to download it as a zip file. Simply click here, download zip. Now simply click on save button to save it inside a folder. So here you can see the download is done. Now let's see what we got. So this is a file. Now if I want to extract it, I need to right click on it and click on extract all. Now here click on extract. Now once the extraction is done, you can go inside the folder. You will see all the files. Now you can open this folder in your favorite code editor, make the changes and do whatever you want to do with it. So I hope you understood how to download a GitHub repository as a zip file. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.